Konnichiwa. Today I'll be going over the grammar tara. And tara is a conditional to mean if. So it can be used after verbs, adjectives, or nouns. So statement A before tara is the condition, and statement B after is the consequence. And so, for example, 日本に行ったらお好み焼きを食べてみたいです。So if I go to Japan, I want to try okonomiyaki. So how we conjugate for the tara form, we essentially just put, for verbs, adjectives, and nouns, we just put it into the past tense, and we add ra after it. So for verbs like erabu, it becomes erandara, or for the negative form, it becomes erabanakattara. For e-adjectives, tsuyoi, it becomes tsuyokattara or tsuyokunakattara. For not-adjectives like genki, genki dattara or genki janakattara. For nouns, oya, oya dattara or oya janakattara. So the condition in tara can be a very likely scenario, or it could be a scenario that is very unlikely. So for example, a pretty likely scenario, super ni ittara pan o kaemasu. So if I go to the supermarket, I'll buy bread. For a pretty unlikely scenario, tsuki ni ittara ishi o motte kaerimasu. If I went to the moon, I would bring back a rock. When you use tara, the consequence B must take place after the condition A. It cannot occur before A does. So, 来年日本に留学したら今日本語を勉強しておきます. You can't say this because the consequence B in this scenario is occurring before the condition A is met. So this sentence would be incorrect. Tara can describe a very probable situation where event B will occur as soon as the condition A is met. So, インターネットで調べたら教える. So, I will tell you as soon as I search it up on the internet. So, in this scenario, after I search it up, as soon as I search it up, I will tell you. But it can also mean if I do search it up on the internet, I will tell you. So for a lot of these sentences, they can be a little ambiguous, so you will have to tell from context most of the time. And the condition in tara can be used to represent a situation that's contrary to fact, but you're using it to express a hypothetical situation. So, お金持ちだったら働きません. So, if I was rich, I would not work. So, it's contrary to the fact, but you're using it to express if I was rich. And just some more tara examples. 先生だったらもっと厳しくなります. So, if I were a professor, I would be even more strict. 今日授業があったら宿題を出します. If there is class today, I will turn in my homework. And lastly, 駅に着いたら電話します. So I will call you as soon as I arrive at the station. And that's all for today. ありがとうございます.